Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your updated snow map for the snowstorm coming up from January 7th and 8th. Let's just start off that this is going to be a light event. This is not going to be a major major snowstorm. This is going to be a very minor, impactful type of event. So um, let's start off with the areas that I did it. I did the map this time into zones because essentially what we're going to see is it's going to be cold everywhere to start, and so when the snow does come in, it's going to lay immediately. So there's not going to be any ground temperature issues. Okay, can anybody in the uh, warm ground society just that theory has been debunked. Okay, just look what happened, down in these areas with our last snowstorm. I mean, they got waffled, and the ground was plenty warm, and they had the warmest ground temperatures. Upstate had the cooler, coldest temperatures. Bottom of the state got waffled. Top of the state, northern part of the state, got close to nothing. So we're going to put that to rest. Um, so generally in this area, we're going to see a 2 to 4 inch snow event. Okay, so this is my location. This is Weather Central for Delaware Weather Guy. So if you're anywhere in this blue section, you're in for a general 2 to 4. I would two on the low end and 4 on the high end. What's the bus forecast? I would say it's about a 7. Um, the track could be further offshore, and we just get powdery snow. Looks nice, or it tracks a little closer, and we do get something more substantial. Um, Lower half of the state this time, you guys um, won't be in so much the jack pocket zone because I think down here in the at the shore points, at the beach points, you are going to run into mixing areas. You are going to run into some uh, early, uh, for a period of maybe light rain, then changing to snow, and therefore you lose a couple hours of this event, which isn't going to last very long. By 10, 11 a.m. on Friday, it's going to be sunny and bright. So that's in general what I foresee. Um, it is Wednesday. There could be some adjustments, but as of now, this would be my call map for the snowstorm January 7th into 8th. That's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Dell Weather Guy. Adios.